How's it going, everyone? Bryce Green here with Big Kid Blocks, and I want to show you guys our Money Maker kit. So this kit is so awesome. It's a 5-piece kit ranging from 24 inches down to 5.5 inches. This is 1/8 inch polycarbonate with a square rod handle on top. This gives it a lot of rigidity, but it's so lightweight. I love this block, being able to use it on, hoods, fenders, quarters, stuff like that may just have a slight flex to it. As you guys can see there, with a little bit of pressure, you're going to be able to get a little bit of curve with it. But again, this thing is so lightweight and rigid that it's perfect for the bottom of rockers or anything like that, because the pressure is going to be evenly distributed through the entire block because of that square handle on top. So that ranges, again, like I said, 24 inches all the way down to the 5.5 inches. So no matter what you're working on, you've got a block for it. So head over to our website, www.bkblocks.com, and get your Moneymaker kit order today and let it help you start making some money. Thanks, everyone.